Has your car been hit by a hailstorm? Don't worry, Dent Shop has got you covered with our professional hail repair process. We specialize in restoring your vehicle to its original condition with our expert hail repair service. Our skilled technicians assess the extent of the hail damage to provide you with an accurate estimate. Drop off. Bring your car to Dent Shop and we'll handle the rest. Insurance claim. We work directly with your insurance company to manage the claim process and ensure your insurance company properly indemnifies you. Settlement. Once the claim is approved, we receive the settlement from your insurance so you don't have to worry about a thing. Repair. Our expert technicians use state-of-the-art paintless dent repair techniques and tools to remove dents without damaging your vehicle's original paint. Delivery. Once your car is repaired, we'll notify you for pickup.